So this was the first weekend after the lockdown, and we decided to go to Kailasagiri Hills, which is about 84 kilometers from home. And we basically, the road that you take is the Hoskote highway. So while heading there, we realized that we could take any one of the there are, I think, 4 or 5 left turns that you could take through villages or state highways, um, which are slightly longer. So I think this was on the maps, if I remember correctly, it was showing us 16 minutes longer or something like that, but the route looked interesting, so we took it. And it was a lot of fun. We've added videos or clips of the ride on the highway, and then some of the back routes and the village roads and stuff like that. So because of the whole aura, or rather the pandemic atmosphere, we decided not to really stop and have breakfast anywhere, although some of the smaller places were open. But we just decided that we'll carry our own stuff. Although for this particular ride, all we did was carry water. We didn't really carry anything to eat. But we'll be doing rides every weekend. And like I stated, this was a ride that happened, I think, 2 weekends ago. Was it 2 weekends? Yeah, it was 2 weekends ago. And we decided to go here because it was a mixture of different types of roads. And if I have to rate the trail on a scale of 1 to 5, at least the day that we went, it was 1 in terms of being the easiest and 5 being the hardest. I would give it a 1.5. Of course, when you're going on the trail and if you're going at certain speeds, or if you're too slow, your back wheel could lose traction, because these are loose surfaces. So traction is not something that comes naturally. And especially most of us were sporting street tires, 90-10 tires. we ride together as a group, especially on weekends, to destinations that are close. All of us do it to kind of break away from, our monotonous lives in terms of work and schedules and stuff like that. So, heading to the trail, as you reach closer to the hill, um, you will have to take um, the off-road trail to get up to the hill, and it goes further down, where we actually stopped. So there is a lot more that I think you can cover, because we did walk and look at the other sections, and there were people that had taken their bikes across, but we kind of stopped there and we decided to just chill there for some time. And that sometime was, I think, close to 1.5 2 hours, where we just sat there and talked about different stuff, bikes and rides, and how freeing the whole experience was of riding after being cooped up at home or in the city for so long. And also, what would be super helpful is anybody that's watching this, if you think that there's a super awesome place that we could go and explore, or you guys had fun riding down some stretch near Bangalore, do leave a comment. I would definitely like to check it out, and I'm sure that the rest of the guys would also want to ride, because we've been scoping, for new places every week. And what's old to you, or been there done that types, might be new to us. Stay safe, wear a helmet, and wherever you go, always, keep riding, keep exploring, but more than anything else that you do, make sure that you don't litter the places that you visit. That's something that I think we should all be doing. Adios.